I'm back. I'm going to record butterfly all day. I'm just joking. I'm not. Okay, we're going back home now. So, yes. I hope you enjoyed, but not yet. We're not going to leave you. Okay? Because we're going to record the whole way we're going home and then we'll stop it. Okay? Yes, deal. Look at this. Good.
Where are we?
We are down the Brook right now.
What have we just been doing?
We have been just picking berries.
We've been picking berries.
And we've been taking lots of pictures, as you can see, and videos, and yeah.
Documenting the day.
We've been doing in
Listen.
the crickets.
Where is it? I wonder if I can see one. Point the
Good.
camera on it. Ah, look, see, I told you, it vibrates its back legs. Show people on the camera. Oh, it's just jumped now, isn't it?
The cricket's there.
Can you still see it? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
See like how it jumps? And see how its wings, it vibrates them.
Did you see that cricket then?
Proper
It was good. Proper cricket.
Not like when you hit it with a ball. With that.
No, a real one. A real one.
Cricket.
So, Dad, did you enjoy that?
It's been brilliant, mate. Getting out in the lovely sunshine with you, going picking berries, going down the brook, spending some good time together. Yeah, it's been fun. What about yourself?
I've been good.
You've been good. You enjoyed it?
Yep, we've been picking blackberries. We've had a bit of a snack. Really good.
And tomorrow, where are we going?
We're going 63 steps.
Yeah. And we're going to go and look through Barrow Bridge.
Yep, to see if we've got any more blackberries.
Because we're on a blackberry mission. BDM.
Yeah.
And we're also going to look at where I used to go camping.
Yep.
So that if you like it, we can go.
And then we could make a vlog.
A vlog about camping, yeah?
Yeah.
We tell the people what we're doing,
Yep.
where we're going,
Yep.
what we've seen,
Yep.
and if it's fun.
This hill is burnt
No, it's not, you know. It looks like...
from the sun. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, look at this, kid. Show them that.
That's really bad.
That's almost like somebody set fire, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if this butterfly will land on them. Probably not. Nana said that a butterfly landed on their shoulder the other day.
Yep.
Did you see it?
Yep. What thing to do?
Careful.
Up down the big massive river that leads all the way from the down the Brook. Yeah. That's how far it is. If you guys didn't know. Which I think most of you guys do know.
Oh, look, there's a butterfly on the path, right? Watch out there, little man.
There was a guy just riding past with his bike and he hit me. By accident. Look, there's one of these other flowers that I showed you yesterday on another video. So guys, go check that one out. massive bees there. The queen bee.
Oh, squirrel. It's just sat there then, mate. It's just gone up the tree. Round the side. There it is, you can see its tail. Come here. Come back, come back, come back. Go. Right, watch up the tree. Mr. Squirrel. Mr. Squirrel.
No squirrel there. Mysterious.
Is it still recording?
Yeah. And that's all I got under.
That's one, because otherwise...
You get stung badly.
And what do you use if a nettle stings you?
A dock leaf.
And what do they do?
That's one tip. They help stop stinging a bit.
That's correct.
Some burnt leaf there.
Probably dried out through the sun, mate.
Brick. Let's see what else we can find. Through here, through here, through here. Big plants.
There's lots of butterflies, isn't there?
The midges.
Everywhere. Bees, wasps, midges, flies. Butterflies. We've seen a squirrel.
We saw midges,
Loads
the
of
worst. We saw wasps, bumblebees.
I wonder if we get to see a fox.
We won't see a fox. Now we're in the open.
Or a badger.
Okay, now. And earlier we saw a big massive rat.
Ooh, I know.
I saw it, but I mentioned it and I saw it, but my dad didn't quite see it.
No, because they're quick, aren't they?
Yep. There's another butterfly over there.
Look at this tree.
Look at that.
And this is where people used to go swinging from the top part.
Yep.
Tie a rope and swing across underneath.
We've got all these midges. Oh, a bag.
Yeah, you can't forget showing a bag on a nature walk. Oh, look at these birdies. In fact, here.
Birdies down there. Rubbish again. Look at that. Massive.
And as we're coming towards the
More
end,
butterflies. We're coming towards the end now, guys.
it's good to know, just showing this, it's good to know that these fences are here, because when I was little, people used to drive motorbikes down.
There used to be steps here.
And the car once came down here and ended up down there, upside down.
Yep.
So yeah.
Lots of litter in there.
Yep.
Not good. Just up there now. Then we're out. Midges. More rubbish. Blue. Yep. Lost down the sky. Lots of overgrown places.
Yeah, lots of overgrown greenery.
We're just about. You can see that car. We're just about to exit. We're still recording until we get home though. There's glass there.
That broken glass.
Broken glass there.
I just don't get it, mate.
And we're out.
Press the button to stop.
Not yet.
Oh. Right, well,
We're still recording till we get home.
again.
Look at that whoopee car.
That's a nice car. That's a vintage car.
Vintage. Look at that car.
They're proper old school, them cars.
That one.
They're used for weddings. So look, somebody's getting married in the church. Nice then.
Yeah. Exactly what I'm pointing at now.
Vintage car.
A vintage. Let's see if we can get a closer look.
No.
This is it. Very nice. Decent. And window. Window there. There. We're just getting nearly crossing the road. This car. Nice. Look at them doors. That car. This car. Beautiful door. This car. Rubbish again. A hoop. That's flown down the ramp. The lamp post. Another lamp. We're just about to cross the road now, guys.
Is there a big shout going out to Nana?
Big shout going out to Nana.
Massive thanks for the buffet last night.
Yes, a big one. Big one. Thank you for all the stuff. We got crisps, we had drinks, we had containers, all good. Yeah. We're just going home into the back street now. Yes. Nearly there now. Yeah, look at all these. There. Just going in now. We're just arriving at our house. In through the back door. And now we're here.
And you didn't put your vest on.
Okay, bye guys.